bandla lamasenani awu
Gijima ekhaya yolanda isibindu novalo.
awu come on class
Gijima
ekhaya yolanda besiyabuya uthi fusek wena wathi sihlangana uzobona isihlangene awu ndoda enkulu
Gijima ekhaya yolanda isibindu if sesila
yeah
and siyazi sonke ukuthi sizokwenzani.
yeah
Uma kwenzeka uzwa ngathi uyasaba hayi kusho ukuthi isibindu sishiye ekhaya.
yeah
Awugijima ekhaya yolanda isibindi ngoba njoba sesila manje kufanele kulungizwe manje.
yeah manje kunale nkulumo le ngiyakuthanda mosemoyeni ukuthi ngifuna indoda ngamasende la bese kwenze njani manje ukuthi ngiyakubona
kuyazifuka ngithi nawe ungibizile awusho ukuthi asikhulume efonini so ngila ngamasende la uyangibona we had we sasanikana ihaki wangizwa
straight,
so ngifuna indoda ibela so if kunanto ezokwenzeka la
yeah
mangathiwa manje bayakubulala la funa basibulale sobabili
one time yeah
ngoba uma ngabe ngingekho bese ngithi mina hayi mfethu ungcono ukuthi bengikhona lapho noma ngithi hayi mfethu sorry ngikhona lapho ngenhliziyo but the same inhliziyo isebenzisa ukuthanda intombi yakho fanele mina ngilibale yona
ufuna indoda ngamasende
hayi ngamasende izwe lisenkingeni umuntu akabe khona physically kulabo abangazi ukuthi amasende awayona inhlamba we are saying be there physically yeah.
Vandag in the building. Sino Moses umushe. You know, but lead my people. So I've seen a lot, and thank you very much. You know, abanye abantu bayacwaya to take the leap of faith. When you say no, I'll put my best foot forward. If nanqamula nqamlando nikhando resend ku right. Okusalayo angizifihli ngiza kanje futhi angeke ngilongithubeleza. Danke siyabonga kanjalo sekuphinda ngobanjalo Grace and Peace. I really hope this finds you well and in dope and awesome spirits. Kamotheba look at it, otherwise known as Uskim. Vandag ngiphethe indoda enkulu. Ababhaya ke is finally known as uphakela umthakathi so uzoyichaza ke mhlambe if uyafuna phela nani yabiza phela awumusho izobiza lengonya so that nimazi kahle ke nani ke heart to heart
yeah Phephethu siyathokoza kakhulu sicela ukubingelela ababukeli bakho bonke nama one of ababukeli namhlanje nibukela mina ngumbukeli sometimes so ngiyabonga kakhulu uhlelo lwakho luhle and it's very inspiring siyabonga kakhulu igama lami nguNkosi khona nginguvusa umuzi ngiphakela umthakathi umhosho odungulwandle ngingwakwaNdabandaba wana ngoma ngumdidiyeli wamabutho lapha esizweni senkosi yakithi kwaMandlakazi ngibambisene nensizwa yakithi uTshatha uKhathide Ngobe no baba umfowethu Sibiya okumdidiyeli wethu omkhulu uZiyamquza Sibiya
mfethu Ndabandaba ngifuna siye straight odabeni because kune concern enkulu kakhulu should people be scared about the 30th because it has always been a question but abanye he said she said going around in circles abanye asethutha kwenzakaleni and finally vandag ngo6 bathe indoda enkulu yangena straight Cyril Ramaphosa president Matamela uyo address I think you'll be addressing uphakela umthakathi
yeah. I hope uzobeka address mina but we always appreciate when abaholi besondela bephendule izinto abantu abakhala ngazo yize singakazi ukuthi uzobe khuluma ngani kodwa singajabula ukuthi angalokuthi akhulume into ekhulunywa uMinister of safety kwi-presidency Minister of Presidency uMama uChabeni angalokuthi umongameli he must never ever go into that because leyanto is divisive and it's not supposed to be uttered by a leader efana nomuntu oseduze kaMongameli because yonke into ekhulunywa umuntu oseduze kaMongameli it automatically becomes a statement or instruction kaMongameli but thina siyazi ukuthi uMongameli akakasho lutho sizomlinda umhla ka30th siyaqhubeka sithi abantu bakithi abarelaxe umhla ka30th is a deadline kusasa ngise Binoni Tuesday ngise Dandi Wednesday ngise Scott Thursday ngise Tegwini there's matches everywhere so I build up but umhla ka30 is not an event so akufanele ukuthi abantu bese bethi hayi ngomhla ka30 silolo celemba you know ukuthi abantu bathanda ukwenza content ufica umuntu elolo imbazo elolo umkhonto athi ngomhla ka30 awuza bahambe na umkhonto wami ngiyawulola no those are content creators this is a serious issue right now ngoba sikhuluma manje eNorthwest ingane ihlinziwe abantu bokufika ade ngoba ngiza la sikhuluma nomuntu othi phakela siyacela uzuzosisiza kunengane yakithi ebulawe ngabantu bokufika bayihlinza. So ke those are the issues esifuna ukukhulunywe ngazo. eThekwini sithola ingane la kuphekwa khona ama drugs, la kudliwa khona ama drugs ena 3 months umama wayo engekho. eThekwini lapha ePoint kunamaphara, la eGoli eHillbrow kunamaphara, ingane zamadoda, ingane yami nawe Skip. Yabona? So let us be sensitive about these things and not sense izinto eziyumdlalo. Even abaholi, they've been in power for more than 32 years manje. They can't be saying hayi abantu ba xenophobic when there is a real problem of immigration right there in their faces and they're not doing anything about it. So ke sicela ukuthi umoya ube phansi, sicela ukuthi umoya wehle, sicela ukuthi si-address inkinga. Let's not try and deviate imqondo yabantu siyise kwenye indawo bethi abantu ba xenophobic, ba tribalistic, bangama hooligans and vigilante and minions and all that. Inhlamba leyo kusibiza singamadoda singaka sikwazi ukwenza izinto umuntu olapha eParliament angakwazi ukuyenza. Unezingane ezu2, mina nginezingane ezingaka kodwa uthi angazi lutho. Uthi angazi lutho kanjani ngikwazi ukwenza izingane eningangaka. So ke sicela nje ukuthi abantu bakithi behlisa umoya ngomhla ka30. Umhla ka30 is just a deadline. Once wadlula umhla ka30 we will give abantu bakithi another instruction. But okwamanje we are saying to ama illegal foreigners and immigrants in South Africa, please respect, honor and appreciate the deadline. Go out of the country, let us sort out the systems of the country, and then you can come back. Because we can't say abantu bangaphandle abangezinhlobonhlobo eSouth Africa. But we are saying uhulumeni has made abantu bokufika amaplaza belungu emaplazini. Owners of restaurant have made foreigners ama scapegoats. Bebathathe benze bona kube yiba ababalulekile kunabantu base South Africa. But let me tell you the iqiniso scheme. Uyabona abantu abasebenza ama restaurant, all these foreigners asebenza ama restaurant, they don't get paid. They are abused. Abelungu njengoba beqasha abantu bakithi abantsundu bako Zimbabwe because they are very good in agriculture. So in cultivating the land. So bayahlukunyezwa kugangwa ngabo and they are always reminded that they are foreigners. So we are also helping them and rescuing them from that extortion and all that nonsense eyenziwayo yokuthi bexhashazwe benikezwe 30 rand a day, banikezwe iholo, amadoda emizi, indoda enomama emakhaya nezingane inikezwe iholo kuthiwa lalani nibe u30 nivuke ekseni emasimini. It's very painful also. Emkhunjini lapha go Maidenhof na go Mahapa. Abantu bakithi are killed there. Abantu bakithi from these countries, they are killed and thrown into the sea. So they are human beings, but they bona babhizi bayalo bathi asindawo. But we are rescuing them also. We are saying go back to your country, fix your papers, come in the country, respect the laws, respect the citizens of the country, and fix your attitude.
So, but I mean, if you may put it in one word, Uguti, what is the expectation or what is expected of South Africans? Because you are saying, Sonke were affected or infected by this thing. So you must play your part. What is expected on individuals, civilians, South African citizens? Njengoba uthi omunye nomunye akeze besixhase uplay your part. Nifisa ukuthi benze njani? Baphepha ama flag, baphume baletha amakhandlela, mele kwenzakaleni.
You see, into yokuqala uhulumeni ayenzile mayefika uhulumeni wentando yeningi. Even amabhunu, the apartheid government never stopped the prayer. But uhulumeni wethu abantu abamnyama, the first thing they did is they stopped the prayer. Uma ngabe uthi abantu abangathandazi, you are disassociating them from their culture. Because ukuthandaza, we don't pray to Jesus song. We also pray to our ancestors. But if uzovele uthi akungathandazwa, you are killing the culture of praying, irrespective ukuthi umuntu ukhulekela nani. So uhulumeni mayifika into yokuqala ibulele nje ubona amalokishi ingane zakithi zinje zingazi nokuthi kufanele zenzeni. They have no culture. If umuntu engena culture akana impilo. I don't care, you can be successful and be rich and do whatever, but you don't have value of anything if you don't have a culture. So what we are saying in South Africa, we gave these politicians a chance. We loved them, we voted them into those positions. Manje sithi ke bantu bakithi, that's why you'll never see me criticizing. I always beg and ask, and I don't criticize Abaholi. I will never go out and criticize Umholi. But I will tell him, this is the problem. We have an immigration issue. We have our youth in... Soweto manje. My brother. Soweto. Today is Sunday, is better. But during the week, I was there in Soweto. Amachita. 24-year-old, abantu who are supposed to start life, they are just sitting at the corner, just chatting because they want the sun to go down and so that they can go back to bed. No food in the house, nothing, no job. Umuphi umholi? Why are you calling yourself a leader? What are you leading? Who are you leading? So we are saying, South Africans, come together. Let us be together. Let's stand together. Let us stand this side, and our leaders stand that side. Bese sithi, baholi bethu niyasibona singakanani. During the week on Wednesday, this is Wednesday. We are supposed to be at work. We are not at work. We are here. Sicela nisilungisele izwe. Whether you made a deal with the foreigners, whether you made a deal with the drug cartel, whether you made a deal with whoever, stop it. Tell whoever you made a deal with ukuthi Nkosi yami hayi besizama ndodo uyabona kodwa uyabona abantu manje ayisekho into engingayenza ngicela ukuthi le deal yethu siyinqamule egcineni kosuku I don't want to go down in history as one of the people who called himself a leader ngadayisa abantu bakithi. That's what we are asking of them.
You are debriefing properly, and I'm happy that Lendo ipeti direction. Now, I want us to, actually, I'm getting goosebumps because Lendo, it's deeper than what we are thinking. I want you to paint a clear picture, a graphic picture. Yabona makuthiwa graphic, makuthiwa umuntu obulewe, uvela uthi ubulewe, awuthi uhlinziwe, wenziwani, waqotshwa. So ngifuna ukuthi usinike izithombe esigcwele se-South Africa ukuthi lento eniyibonayo it's a smoke screen. And also mhlambe adding into, do you believe in our polling system? Do you believe in our system le democracy yona le yokuvotelwa kwabantu in power beze ngemithetho eminingi nani? But give us a picture. Is census, do you think they've got a hang of things? What are the numbers in South Africa? Because you can't just fix or fix what you can heal. You must feel something before you can say, okay, you can't heal what you can feel. So for now, how many people do you think are in South Africa?
Foreigners in South Africa, they are plus or minus 30 million. Plus or minus 30 million. Because if you are going to a border and watch now as we are speaking. Abantu asebehambile South Africa, they are closed. We are reaching a 2 million manje. Voluntarily leaving South Africa. We are going to reach, we got our intel from the border and from other sources. And we are happy and we appreciate that. And we respect our brothers and sisters who are responding to this call, because we don't want to sound like we are isolating Africans, but their rules are more stricter than ours, so they should understand when we do this. But izwe alisekho kithi, izwe alikho ngisho kuma politicians. That's why uzobona politician ithi ayo ngamane document abantu kunokuthi sitha bahambe. A leader, a very big leader in a country, hopeless. Mina, I need people to understand ukuthi abaholi abathi document abantu, they bashota ngokusho ukuthi ayikho into esingayenza. Bashota ngokusho lo. They have bangene eyintweni that are compromising the country so much that they are losing hope. They are so deep in it that they can't even do anything. They don't know what to do. I'm rescuing them. That's why I will never criticize them. I'm helping them. They should just spread their hands and say, whoever, if I made a deal with you, and then ingane zami zithi hayi baba le deal oyenzile I wrong. Fanele ngithi kuwe mina, ayi baba mphephethe. Ngiyaxolisa mandoda angibonanga kahle sasheshisa ayisekho into engayenza makunqaba laba vele lento ngeke uyithole if ngiqhubeka nalento then ngizokhanda ubudlelwano obubi phakathi kwethu somndeni. That's what the leaders should say to whoever is pressuring them ukuthi kulungile savumelana ukuthi mina ngizokwenza ibhizinisi ezweni lakho, mina ngizokugadela abantu bakho ezweni lami. Kodwa njengamanje ke mfowethu uyabona manje abantu base South Africa, this is like 70 million people saying one thing. I can't be alone ngisebenzisa amandla ami to ayisekho into engayenza, because everything has got an expiry date. So whatever deal that was made, the date has expired now. So ke sicela abantu bakithi ukuthi abaholi, they must appreciate ukuthi we've run this thing for 1 year 6 months peacefully.
Arguably asithi ubuhle siyabona ngiyabonakala zonke inkala abantu are responding bayimpethu uyabona ukuthi nompela lento iyasebenza. Mara now kunedlanzana labantu kuneqembu eliphikisayo lithi uphakela bamphakele.
Yeah.
Njengoba uphakela umbone enza kanje.
Yeah.
Obviously you know bathi mele ushaye inja kuze kuphuma umnikazi.
Yeah.
So uphakela njengoba kunje nabo bafuna ukuqina kuwe ngebhuthi kuzophuma umnikazi ngoba believe ukuthi kunomnikazi. Ubani umnikazi? Ngabe ukhona umnikazi? Are you funded leadership? Mhlambe behind closed doors and corridors because it always been inkulumo laphana mara nicela ama 20 rand at the same time.
Okay. This my brother uNkulunkulu akubeke ukhule uze ube ikhehle uzoqukulwe ngesikhumba ungakwazi ukuhamba ngiyakucelela kuNkulunkulu because I want you to see this would be the first time in history of this lifetime that umuntu enze into honestly genuinely nangobudoda because abantu basuse ubudoda empilweni. Uyabona wonke ama politicians lawo une housing allowance, une cell phone allowance, une flight allowance, une salary, unama
Medical aid.
unama benefits that are beyond. Akazi nokuthi uzowenzani. Yes. But he still goes and steal imali yokusiza abantu that were affected by the storm. That indlu yomuntu uyaphephuka yahamba ingane zakhe zasala ihlelo obala kodwa yena he will go and steal that 200 million yokuyolungisa leya project because abantu basusa ubudoda kubona. They separated themselves from, they chose money over ubudoda, something you can't buy. So I'm here to revive that. I'm here to remind indoda ukuthi you would rather die as indoda than sell your own. Imali kayilutho. Ingane zalaba abantu zisemajele ingane zabaholi. If zingekho emajele he paid for his child not to go to jail. He is a leader. He bribed the officials, the leaders, the police, the judges, the inspecting officers and investigating officers. Ukuthi ingane yakhe ingayijele. Ingane zabaholi are not even they don't contribute nothing to society. Ubaba wakhe president. That child should be running a boot camp. Of helping the kids in Soweto. Ubaba wakhe minister. That girl is supposed to do some classes for amantombazana aselokishini ukuthi afunde ukuthunga kwenziwa ama skills. No, they don't. Ubaba wakhe uyantshontsha ngapha untshontshela ukuthi anikeze ingane yakhe is in Sandton smoking powder. So what we need to fix, we need to call ourselves into order and say, Bafowethu, we made a mistake. We passed laws that are against our people. We have a constitution that doesn't do anything for South Africans. We have municipalities where indoda nje ehlulwa ukusebenza la eGoli ibuyele ekhaya ifike ibe yikhansela. Wahlulwa ukusebenza lo muntu. Wasebenza 10 years. Wahlulwa ukubeka imali. Now that person is presiding over umphakathi of 4,000. What is he going to teach abantu? So what esishoyo thina sithi asibuyiseni uNembeza, asibuyeni sihlale phansi. Izwe lisengalunga. We made mistakes. Let us correct those mistakes and we don't have to be diplomatic about it. We just to say this is the problem. President uyakhuluma today. He just needs to say abantu bokufika bakulelizwe ngokungekho emthethweni abahambe. South Africans are right. He will cool this thing off. He just needs to say that. Abantu abala South Africa ngokungekho emthethweni abahambe. This is a country, it's got laws, they need to be respected. And then South Africans will tomorrow we will enforce all the laws. He just needs to say that. He doesn't. If he speaks more than 5 minutes, he will be wasting time.
Budomkulu, are you aware of the power that you have?
Yeah, let me go back to the money thing.
That's right.
Let me go to the money thing because I didn't answer that. I was going there. I said uNkulunkulu akubeke uze ube uqukulwe ngesikhumba kwaZulu kushiwo njalo, that's a blessing. Masithi uNkulunkulu akubeke uze uqukulwe ngesikhumba, even if you have one leg but you're still alive, your voice as a man is bigger than just walking. So in the history of bribing people, I'm unbribable. And this is not the first time. This is not the first time I do things. If you'll do a research about me, kune ebongweni zami kuthiwa uyikutshukutshu ngamane ubopha umthwalo uhambe eKhatide ubuyele kwalakini kwaNongoma ayikho indaba yokukhonza imbuku eThekwini umuhle wena Khatide ngoba uyancwada imbuku alincwadi liyatshakuzisa. That is 1 million rand sentence. Because in 2012 I was offered in the table like this 1 million to stop fighting illegal immigrants in a certain company that I was working for. So I said to them, I would rather resign, go home and be a man than to sell out our own people. On the 22nd of April, Umashobanu Konala, the bodyguard, he was there. Actually, 3 of them, they were there. I was offered 10 million rand on the table. Not to go to, they said they're going to transfer it in an account. It was there in a black box. They said, here's 10 million, stop this. And I said to them, take this money, go to Hillbrow, renovate Hillbrow. Because Hillbrow used to be a golden city. Used to be a golden section of Johannesburg. All foreign, all big people from England and everywhere, they used to go to Hillbrow. But today Hillbrow is hijacked. The capital city of our economy is hijacked by drug dealers. Guess how they did not hijack it. The officials, the government officials said to the Nigerians, go and take that building. Tina will speak to the police won't trouble you. So they came in. All the buildings that are hijacked, they belong to public works. How does a person from Nigeria wazi kanjani ukuthi leli bhilidi lika works? So if leli bhilidi ngilihijacka, akekho umuntu wase South Africa ozozolubanga ngoba vele lika hulumeni. And then they turn it into a rental building. Kurentwe kumuntu wase Nigeria, imali uyihlukanisa. DJ Waras is gone. Because of it trying to fix that. So we would rather die than sell out our own people. And a man is supposed to be like that. He's supposed to be a pillar. Only if you want this house to come down, cut out the pillar. Because awukwazi ukuthi uyindoda uthi uzobukela izingane zabantu zidla ama drugs kanje. Mina ayikho ingane yami edla drug. Ayikho ingane yami yoke idla drug. But ingane yakho bhuti wami ngeyami. Ingane yakho one day izoba president elide ingane yami. So let me protect that child. I'm a product of gifts. I'm a product of handouts. Because I don't know my parents. So umanje sizovuka namhlanje sivuka amadoda eseparlamente ena wonke lama benefits, but they sideline all these benefits and they go and steal. They don't care about they making ama voters a business. It's business to them. So akekho umuntu osifandayo. We are funded by community and we are still pleading with the community ukuthi Kubeg is funded because we need security. There's a bounty on my head. I'm a foreigners, Ethiopians and Pakistanis have collected some money in Newcastle and they are looking for hitmen to kill me. But I would rather die than see these things that are happening because ubudodwa kimi bachazwa. Ukuthi indoda yini, that was thoroughly explained to me. Ukuthi yini indoda. Indoda stands for the country, stands for his house, stands for his family, and he never stands and watch while the wrong things are happening in front of his face.
If one were to ask ukuthi who is uPhakela Umthakathi, and I think a few minutes ago nguzumbuzo ukuthi are you aware of the power that's it's bestowed in your life or deposited in your life? Because when you discharge your responsibilities and your duties, as it were, abantu, they could really see it in your face and you become visibly angry. Just this morning I was watching a video, Tell him Vubu, and ngapho umuntu wazwachayisana neveni yamaphoyisa mawufika, and this issue ye command even went ama videos wakho so walinka neShaka Ilembe. Now they see you and they would pull characters like Batina Nkosi Shaka Zulu, and then when we see this man, we don't know what he looked like, Ushaka Zulu, but the stories that are told around, we see ukuthi uNkulunkulu when he raised a kingdom, umbuso, he planned and deposited some. I remember ukuthi mas bakubhala ngifunda incwadi kaZelda leGranja bhala ngoformer late statesman uNelson Mandela. What this man, he was chosen as a symbol. But abahleli babonke lawo Oliver kanjalo, but we need someone onesibindi impela. Baba underground but not thina siyababona bonke sa representa wena. Yavela lento ejele ukuthi wasifaka ama short pen ngoba uyothi ngiyama ayikho lento le ama short pen u5 us wehla ngehelicopter eCape. So there would be in every generation there will be someone, one Michael Jackson in the 100 years asiphile now. Here is Phakela Umthakathi, but who is Phakela Umthakathi? And are you aware of the grace that is upon your life and it's bestowed in your life? Because the light is shining so bright and iphandla abantu abaningi. I mean, I don't give credit where is not due. I give credit where is due. And the alignment yami and uNkulunkulu ungiphe the spirit of discernment. Ngiyawuhlola umoya, ngiyibona into mayihamba. I was saying to Uyanda the other day, mabangithatha the day ngiyongena, because I am going to be one of the people who are going to attain serious positions in power. Then the people that I want in my life, you are the first person that I mentioned. Ngathi when I attain the position of power, because siyawuthatha umbuso. Sizongena.
No, that's definitely.
Sizongena, masingena
lokho
ngathi
asikufihli nje. And bonke abantu eSouth Africa fanele becabanga kanje. Fanele becabanga kanje because kuzokwenza mhlambe ngeke sogcina singawuthathanga abaholi, they will fix themselves. Bese siyabonda ayike kulungile, you can lead us ndoda, because asikwazi ukuholwa impumputhe, yabo. But wami ngicela ukuqala la ekutheni uShaka, the stories that have been told about uShaka, iqiniso ngoShaka alikakakhulunywa. Yes, alikakakhulunywa iqiniso ngoShaka, and we will tell the truth about uShaka. And uShaka wangempela, uShaka wakwaZulu. Not ukuthi uShaka azoshuthwe eGoli, ashuthwe ngabeSuthu, ashuthwe angisho ukuthi abeSuthu ba wrong. But you can't tell me, you understand ukuthi uma ukuyisini kaShaka, you have to embody the spirit. So ngeke kwenzeke ungayena umZulu, yabo. And uShaka makuzokwenziwa leyo nto kufanele kuyiwe phansi emakhosini kuyokhulunywa nalapha abekwa khona okungazi umuntu khona. Not ukuthi kuzohamba kuyokhulunywa netshe elisestenga elifihlwe okufihlwe kulama drugs. Elingahlonishwa elikakwe ngamandiya, yabo. So abantu abathi uPhakela Umthakathi unjengoShaka, they are saying that out of happiness, but I will never ever come close to that. I respect that. Ngiyajabula because bayajabula. I have to meet their happiness and somehow, but ngicela ukusho ukuthi ngokwenhlonipho yami njengomuntu okhulele emakhosini, okhuliswe ngamakhosi, I will never accept ukuthi ngifana noShaka. Ngiyohlala ngihlonipha umuntu obuka ngaleyo ndlela, ngoba nabo laba bathi ngifana noShaka abamazi, basho nje ngoba bebuke mhlawumbe ibody structure, nendlela umuntu ahamba ngayo, nendlela umuntu akhomanda ngayo abantu, which is less than 0.00001% of what uShaka did. And it's never been told. So ke siya qonda ngendlela esizalwe ngayo Phephethe. Siyayiqonda ukuthi singubani ngoba indlela esizaleke ngayo asikwazi ngisho ukuyixoxa, is very sacred. Indlela engizaleke ngayo, indlela engikhule ngayo, but ngihlale ngibatshela abantu ukuthi ubaba wangithatha after ekhaya so 48 kubaba wami, mina ebafaneni ngunumber 16. Umama wami wayemncane kunobhuti bami abanye abazalwa omamkhulu, because omama babe u5. So ubaba mangina 9 kunezinto mangizalwa kuna 6 months khona izinto ezenzeka. Uma ngabe ngina 9 years ubaba wahluleka, ngithatha wangisa enkosini yakwaButhelezi, umntwana waphinda ngene, wafika wathi indaba ezitha nansi ingane ngicela ukukunikeza yona, because mina anginawo amandla. So remember nginobhuti bami abadala kunomama wami, mina ngingowe16 ebafaneni. So ngoba ekhaya kuyahlukaniswa ngithi fika ekhaya kuthiwa so 48 bese kuthiwa ebafaneni abafana abangaka kube nobudala babafana, ngoba kusuke ku-allocatewa ngokuthi ubani ozobheka intombazana la ekhaya, yabo. So ke uma ngabe ubaba ngena 9 yangithathukisa umntwana waphinda ngene, uyafika uthi indaba ezitha cela ukupha nansi ingane shenge kube ngeyakho, ngoba mina anginawo amandla ukuyikhulisa. Iyingane, that line, that's a very important line. Iyingane engajwayelekile. Then ezinye izinto zashiwo
special ngesilungu.
Mhlambe uspecial na umncane. Mhlambe umncane. Kodwa kunezinto umuntu azohamba mayisemdala, when the world is ready to hear, then we will say it, because masingazisho manje ku social media usagcwele abantu abangasile, bangacabanga ukuthi mhlambe we are making them up. But ngiyakuphi kuyimbuzo wakho wepower. Lokho esikwenzayo sikuthunyiwe, kufanele sizokwenza. uNkulunkulu njalo emva kwekhulu unyaka, every century, emndenini not esizweni emndenini uvusa umuntu njalo after 100 years uNkulunkulu emndenini uvusa umuntu njalo emndenini nawe uNkulunkulu uma ungabala iminyaka kababa wakho uyixube neminyaka yakho bese uyabuka ushaya ibalo uzobona ukuthi kuno 100 years okhona so wonke umuntu that is doing great things in life noma ngabe uyasebenza ulekelela ikhaya just ukusebenza nje not lokho kwethu nokwakho noma ngabe umuntu okwazi ekhaya ukuhlinza noma ukwazi ukugcina izinto zasekhaya ukugcina izinto every after 100 years uNkulunkulu akalenza iphutha because imndeni uNkulunkulu angayifunanga waqeda ngayo imndeni ayidingayo every after 100 years he purifies that family noma ngabe yenza ama mistakes angakanani noma ngabe umuntu wakhona wayibulala abantu that's why you'll see inkabi mayifa if ishiya intombi yayikhulelwa because uNkulunkulu betshale something kulo muntu lo muntu kwafanele ukuthi ashiye lembewu abese yahamba yena because akasayisave ipurpose kaNkulunkulu so ke ingakho ke ubona ukuthi njalo emndenini uyibuza ukuthi lo mndeni ongathi uyaphela kwavele kwavuka umshana kanjani manje umshana ubaba wakhe ukhona uyaphila ubaba uyasebenza ubaba wakhe uright akafuni kuyithatha ingane yakhe kodwa uright le ngane kodwa yenza kahle la ekhaya because uNkulunkulu ukhethe yona ukuthi kulowo mndeni akuvuke yona so ke njalo empilweni uma singabe ngabaholi abasondele kuNkulunkulu we will understand ukuthi yonke lento esiyenza manje inemthelela kusasa asenze kahle manje to lay that foundation or to build the first floor for our kids to take over indoda fanele ithi mayenza into ihlale njalo into eneyenzayo ibeke ukufa eduzane what if ngifa ngakwenza ukuthi what if ngifizwe ngingalikhululanga what if ngiupresident ngesikhathi sami ngiyothi ngiphuma because ukufa is to be out of power so uma ngifa uma engiphuma nje manje ngizophuma ngithi ngenzeni ngiphume ngisebenzisa izinkantolo ukuvimba ukuthi ngivume ngiyindoda ukuthi ngenze icala bese ngihlonipha abantu abangivotelile ngisuke esikhundleni noma ngizoqhubeka ngisebenzisa izinkantolo to delay the process so that mina ngizoqhubeka ngenze into zami izingane zalabo bantu my brother there will be nothing they can have so much money and be billionaires and everything they will never have kids they will have 6 kids or 10 kids but they will be like umuntu ongenayo ingane
I'll spend a season now. You're a very interesting character. You know, umuntu ojulela avela jula ayilokwa Julius mara jula empela. Ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi kanti kunenkinga ngalo saza ithashi indaba ka CIC. Shothi macingwane la ngoba uvela khuluma macingwane. Ukhuluma avela khuluma amafinyela khuluma yonke lento. Two things now sesizovala ke Bhudomkhulu because I know ukuthi nama engagement amaningi and thank you for honoring us.
Thank you, I
really am humble. Thank you for allowing me personally into your space. Sazosebenza. Now two things. Ngifuna sithathe kakhulu le issue yenkabi. It's a very sad ending story. Kunabantu abavayi from abo Sindiso Magaxa ubani. We see things. I mean, Senzo Meyiwa kunestory cold case files and I've seen you wearing a t-shirt the other day and at least now you are evoking you know the emotions but also you are in support ne family yasho ukuthi yazi makunomuntu obalekile emphakathini osathi uyasupport. Number 2 ngifisa sithashe siye kuye la thina some of us were affected. Just the other day we were talking about izinto ezenzakala political upheavals and violence in Katlehong abantu baphela like people were perishing between ingamla zithathe ngapha kuthiwa lawa amaZulu kuthiwa amaXhosa kwaliwa ekhaya beku battle line ngihlala la ehostel la mina bengidlala room 8 ngidlala kuphi ngikhulela straight ngikhuliswe ehostel marithe mayishika lento le lapha emngadi azange kube mnandi abantu bashona ekhaya sibaleke kayi2 sathathelwa izinto yonkini so abantu manifaka amabhanda abovu nifaka imiqhele kufala abantu kuvuka le yanto ukuthi safa manje have you ever thought about that ukuthi man lento le abantu they cringe immediately mabanibona senihlangene kanje kuthiwa ay labantu babangasuka babuyele kule yanto leyana because kwakunalento yeGND nekado kwaba iIFP kwaba iANC kwaba ismash so asike address lama issues ayithu le ndaba yeinkabi it's very important amajida ayaphela left and right I wonder ukuthi baphela for malini but kuyabulawana every now and then bese kuba ileyo ukuthi communities are uncertain about land ukuthi bafethu is the future bright ngalendlela kwenzeka ngayo.
I wish lezi nduna bengihlangane nezinduna manje about an hour ago. I wish bengazi ukuthi studio singaka mhlawumbe bengizoza nezo 4. We just ngicela ukuqala ngale eyebutho emalokishi. I think I successfully try and diffuse the tensions manje phakathi kwelokishi. Mawuzobuka 2 weeks ago ade ngise Thokoza. That was ilokishi. 5,000 people. They were there, oh mama, because oh mama would not come to those things. Uma ngabe ukuthi kusayile yanto They would not come. So kunomama lapha siyabathethiza, mama suka lapha athi ngiyakhumbula athi ukhuluma ngomama manje. Mama suka lapha because we are bringing the sense of protection. Yokuthi umuntu wesifazane never ever abe phambili empini. Umuntu wesifazane uba ngemuva. Uma kwenzeka kusuka itshe lapha lishaya liza ebuthweni, fanele lifike lishaya indoda because indoda iqinile. Uyabona, so we are protecting women, not ukuthi masithi abasuke all together sithi kodwa ngoba silwa lempi lena bomama niyazi sibhekene nabantu abangezwa, so bazovele bakhipha isibhamu nje lapha bedubule, and then kufa umuntu wesifazane sikhona thina la siwu-2000 on that day, that month, that year, wonke amadoda ayobe lapho makungafa umuntu wesifazane sikhona. We are not men. We are not men. We have forfeited our manhood. So singakho ke sithi abantu besifazane ababe ngemuva. And manje kade sinomhlangano neinduna sithe induna zami ake niyeke ukulandela abantu basema hostel. I didn't even want to meet them hostel. Ngithe ngicela niphume hostel. Because manje sifuna ukuthi sikhombisa abantu ukuthi asibuzona lezi ayilwane ezayikhandwe abelungu beqhatha abantu abamnyama. And abantu need to heal from that because sesiyazi ukuthi abelungu ababeqhatha abantu abamnyama. And kuze kube namhlanje ukube siyoba nesikhathi sanele ngelilanga so ke sixoxe ukuthi abantu abamnyama ababesebenza nabelungu they are in government. Abantu abamnyama ababesebenza nabelungu ukubulala abantu abamnyama they are in government. Some of them abafuni nokuphathwa emaqenjini abo. Kusasa ubavula leli qembu, kusasa bakwelinye iqembu, kusasa bakwelinye iqembu because lo babuthi bokudayisa nokuba umdayisi nokungalaleli nokungaphatheki buyavuka yizo umuntu esekuyiposition enkulu. Bonke laba bantu babona belokhu bevula amaqembu kancane kancane sevula iqembu kancane kancane usesukile usekwelinye iqembu they are part of that system. Babe khona kubulawa abantu. So ke sifuna leyo nto iphele manje. Ake sithatheni isinqumo manje sithi thina singamadoda emalokishini khona omama kakhulu, khona izintwana, khona omama, obaba basekho emalokishini. Ake senzeni ukuthi masihamba la emgwaqweni ugogo mayephuma emocingweni kanje ethi lili uyajabula. Musa ke wena mawuphethe induku usuya kugogo uthi hey suka wena lapha wena gogo because iyena ndlela asupporta ngayo, iyona contribution yakhe naye. Mayiphuma izingane zamantombazana zimodongweni or igibele itebhisini zinibuka, hayi phakamisa izandla musu ukuthi fuseke musu ukujikijela itshe because lo muntu iyona contribution yakhe leyo. We need to spread this love. We need to spread this love. Wonke umuntu akavuka ekseni, the first thing ufanele ube nawo umuntu vuka ekseni ube nothando. Qala ngalo uthando. Yonke enye into izolandela empilweni. Enye so ngeke sibe rich sonke scheme. Abayeka abantu kufuna uba rich. Ngiya kule yeinkabi manje. Uyabona? Ngeke sibe rich sonke. That is the fact. Khona abantu abane gift. Ngeke sibe nama podcast amahle kanjena sonke. It's hard work. It's in you. So wonke umuntu wafika nje uyakopela yasuka uyovula i-podcast naye manje. Uyabo? Wonke umuntu wabona umuntu ehamba ngeBM ehamba uyabuka kuthiwa na u10,000 hamba uyobulala uscheme. Uthatha u10,000 hamba uyombulala ngoba uthi ufuna ukugcina unemali. Kanti ezinye izinto zizohamba kancane. Ububi la ezweni benziwe kwaze kwaba ngathi ibona okufanele kube yona indlela ephila ngayo. Umuntu ophandayo udayisa amaklabishi nama fruits lapha esangweni eSoweto is looked down by umuntu ontshontshayo. As i-entrepreneur izigcine ibona ngathi lento eyenzayo i-wrong ngoba ibona ihamba kancane, mhlawumbe ibhizinisi selina 5 years still kusanzima. Kanti that is the right way. Akusiyo leyo ukuthi uthi boom uvuka ama-BEE asiwazi nothasho nabi. Sake saphila kabuhlungu thina la. Ubukele phansi umuntu namhlanje odla ama-drugs ohleli lapha emgwaqweni. Most of the BEE people are there bangamaphara. Babehamba ngama-X5 ngo-2006. You understand about singoplamba thina. Singoplamba sisebenza lo 250 rand. Yes. So 250 rand a day usebenza lapha by the end of the day no 250. Fica umfana omncane uhambela ngelo course. Uvele wahamba wayofaka amaphepha basayina bamnikeza imali wahamba yothenga iBM ongawenza lo msebenzi.
3 last questions babe Phakela. On a lighter note but hayi ubhebhe kakhulu lama Zimbabwean uyawajikela manje.
Yeah. Yo, abantu bafethu sure. No, abantu abangenzi lutho. They have too much time to say things and and analyze things and thina sisemgwaqweni every day.
Was that AI video?
No.
The video where you were there but lo muntu is madly in love. Lo muntu lo washa iZimbabwe laphana.
No.
Now uyibuyile manje lento sekajikile man.
uMadube kwakuyintombazana yakwaDube njengeyindoda mina ngoba ngikhuluma ngobudoda nje ngikhuluma ngobudoda.
Yeah.
Akukho lapha engithi bangikhuluma khona enye into bese ngibususa ubudoda. Ngashela intombi nje yangiqoma yathi intombi ngaseZimbabwe sazana nayo 6 months. I think a relationship lasted 6 months. Because ngathi mase ngikhona empilweni yayo iqondile inamaphepha ina yonke into iyasebenza la eSouth Africa and everything. But mina nginemithetho ethile empilweni yami. Nginemithetho ethile empilweni yami. So uma ngabe ukuthi leyo nto engizama ukuyihlanganisa nomuntu ayihambelani nobumina ngenhlonipho ngiyaxolisa bese ngideda ke kuleyo nto. So kwenzeka into enjalo. And then it happened ukuthi umuntu one casting agency. So ke saqhubeka ngokusebenza okwesikhashana mhlawumbe there was 2 months. Siqhubeka ngokusebenza okwesikhashana kwa TV. Ngashawa izinto ke zokuthi futhi again na TV. Fanele ngicabuza abantu, fanele kuthiwa nginomfazi, fanele uyabo ngenza izinto lezi ehambelana against
i-character.
I-character of efuna ngibe nentombi ngiqabula umuntu nene zange ehlula ke lezo zinto. Ngayicelela ke kuma director ukuthi bafowethu ngiyacela mina ngicela uku-act umalume, ngicela uku-act induna, ngicela uku-acta i-security, ngicela uku-acta izinto nje is away from izinto ene romance. Yes, because i-culture yami ayingivumeli ukuthi mina ngaqabula umuntu phambi kwabantu. And nangaphandle kwalokho nginabafazi. Angifuni lokho ngiyokwenza abafazi bami yobulala ingqondo yabo because phela abantu aba-actayo they have to a certain part of their brain has to be dead. Iqinise lelo. That's why you find them. That's why you find them in big movies and big soapies and they were rich a few years and now they are begging because a certain part of their brain is dead. So into efuna ukuthi wenze into ongayithandi for the sake of imali. So nakushaka ilembe ngake ngabuza nje ngathi sengiphakathi ngisho ukuthi ushaka ilembe season 1 season 2 ngeke ngavela kancane kona into yangikhipha khona. They asked me, they interviewed me bangibuza ama questions are stupid ngento kaShaka. Mina my spirit is uShaka, not mina. My spirit is uShaka. So if you are going to shoot a movie about umuntu that created the United Nations before there was the United Nations and then uzongitshela ukuthi ufanele mina ngicompromise ubuzulu bami ngenxa yokuthi ufanele ngiacte lapha then ngadediswa yilokho. So intokazi le sahlangana sazama ukusebenza sazama ukuyeka ukuthandana sazama ukusebenza kaphinde ngahlulwa ilento yako TV. But I still appeal kuma directors and producers ukuthi we can contribute to the industry. We know a lot. isiZulu, culture. They can have shows are very authentic to AmaZulu. We can help there. Kodwa leyo ukuthi ngibe indoda ngene ngubeni ngibonakala impela nami ngiserious hayi ngeke ngiyenze leyo.
What is your view because le subject ile xabanisa abantu according to your constitution kunento ezihamba ngeBhayibheli. Abanye abantu babaphendula vele bathi ithini ingqeqe engcwele. Issue ye homophobia. What is your honest opinion? Ejele batibulelana hayi ukuyale. Kuyothiwa bayamitha abantu beyophuma ingane lapha ejele. 28 lo 26 nani se lo udle intwana yalona sekuyi problem. What is your honest view?
I don't think it's something that's supposed to exist. This is my holistic opinion. And I still wish you can ubize uSomizi ungibize nami. Usibekela
somsom
usibaro wami uNjomane umbekela sikhulume neutrally sikhulume sithinte something masikhuluma sithinte yabo singakhulumi lokho kufuna ukuzwiwa yizwe
justify
sikhulume sithinte sithi nanku 1 ake sime kulo 1 iqala size soqede nanku 2 ake sime. I respect them. I have friends abaphila who chose that life. I respect them, but the bayazi kahle ukuthi angihlangani nje angihlangani ngokwenkolo yakhona angihlangani nangezenzo angihlangani nangayonke into kodwa umuntu mayeyikhethela then kufanele ngimhloniphe. But mina ngokwami uma ngathiwa akuhambe kushawe imithetho bengiyothi ngelinye ilanga ayikibuka imithetho ekhuluma ngalokho ngoba kukhona abantu abenza izinto ezingalungile bezenze beshawe imvelo bese beshintsha bese bethi basebela. Ngiyamxolela umuntu othe ephuma nje esiswini sika mama wakhe waphume njalo. Kodwa khona abantu abenza izinto ezimbi izinto bathwala babulala abantu benza zonke izinto badla ama drugs badayisa ama drugs babulala abantu nampo Senzo Meyo osenzo meyiwa nje ukube kuthiwa sinikwe thina because enye izinto leyo scheme awufana abantu beyazi thina we have more intelligence than the intelligence services la izweni amadoda insizwa la ngeke kubulawa umuntu ungaziwa ukuthi ubulawa uba iphoyisa linga investigator for life but thina siyazi thina hlale sazi thina that's why with a zero budget we can do this uyabo so ke lena eyabantu abathandana ngobulilo obufanayo mina angihambisani nayo angiyithandi angifuni ukuyithanda but angicabanga ukuthi into ehambelana nento kufanele ngabe iyenzeka ngoba into abanye abantu abayipracticeayo abangayona ngempela bakhona okumbona yabona lona noma ungamzama noma ungamchatha noma umfaka intelezi ngeke kwenzeke lutho kodwa bakhona abayipracticeayo for certain ambitions like ukudayisa ama drugs so that bezoba ne-access kulezi imali zaphesheya bezokwazi ukuthi kwenziwe izinto zama drugs ngoba bahlala bahamba ngamajet angaseshwa bahamba ngeemoto ezinkulu ezingaseshwa nani because baphusha lezi zinto lezi
Intel ya meeting nge-15 siyahlangana. I think it will be a Monday if I'm not mistaken. Mhlawumbe uzofika I think umlayezo ku. But I want to close with this because we need to know ukuthi kahle kahle mawubhejela lento ubhejela ihasho kanye ubhejela imbongolo so ithuzi namadlebe nesimo sakho necishe siyafana. Are you politically aligned, leader? Because I've seen a lot of people they are kicking where they can diving makufika kulombuzo. Are you politically aligned? Because I can tell you now, they will send shocking waves to politicians. The reason why abafethu ababhaya bakhuluma ukuthi na ama-back nani it desire is to say I wish we could control simfaki chip abe AI abe robot lo muntu lo is a killer machine. I can take you we are taking elections already. Parties are dwindling, numbers, center is not holding, wheels are coming off, but these abantu and then the more siale so are you politically aligned? We want to understand it, just that part
mfowethu. Okokuqala ngicela ukusho ukuthi mina ngikhuliswe i-IFP angaze ngufihle akufihliwe kuyaziwa but abayekho abaholi be-IFP abangisupportayo mina kulezi zinto engizenzayo. I've been doing boot camps from 2012 kuze kube namhlanje. I've never gotten a sponsor from a-IFP. I get sponsors from abazali abasuke belethe ingane and people who bring clothes, food and everything. I do massive I take kids out of drugs mina without taking them to rehab ngenxa yokuthi sisebenzisa lo nkulunkulu engimshoyo and the authentic cleansing yespirit somuntu and everything so lokho kuyaziwa kufihliwe kodwa kulomsebenzi esiwenzayo if kuyokwenzeke ngishintshela abantu kuthiwe sengishintshile sengithi abantu abasuke la engithi abame khona ngokwezwe sengibayisa kwipolitiki. I'm calling on South Africans to kill me.
So lama number lawo kanti awumobilize ngeke ayokudonate somewhere
laba bantu laba esibamobilizeayo abantu abavele bashare the same idea nginayo ukuthi izwe alilunge abaholi abalungise. We are not even saying abaholi abaphume sithi abaholi abalungise but if abaholi bengalungisi this country stands a chance of electing their own without a political party. That is the problem. We are saying abaholi they must fix this now. Ukwakha udonge border can take 1 month, literally 30 days. They don't need to employ, they don't need to take more money and send it to the border. Call on South Africans. Let them produce their bricklaying skills. Certificates. Take them to the border. Pay them 250 rand a day. Put tents there. Take 1 million men who can lay bricks. Buy bricks from the hardware. Take the men there. Tell them you are going to pay them 200. It mustn't be a tender. It mustn't be a tender. Go and buy cement, buy bricks, buy sand. Call all the South Africans who can lay bricks. Call the engineers and the building inspectors to be there to make sure that the wall is built in the right way. It will take 30 days to build that whole wall. We don't need all these nonsenses of political parties and political leaders going and saying, Tina, if we go into power, this country is older than a person. Do you know ukuthi umuntu owazalwa ngo-1994 is halfway his life now? Akaza sebenza. So you want to tell me ukuthi khona umholi manje ngoba kuza ama elections ofuna campaign athi mina ngicela ukubuza abantu bakithi lapha eKatlehong nifunani. So ufuna ungitshela ukuthi umuntu njoba kuxhaxhaza amanzi la eMlazi, sorry eMlazi nala go Soweto nala emahostel fanele aye emadodeni emizi abantu abanabafazi nezingane abasebenza kanzima abahlele endaweni embe ebheda enuka isurage. Ufuna ungitshela njoba kuzokhankaswa kuzosuka umholi aye lapha kulabo abantu afika ababuze eqela amanzi eqela isurage aye kubantu ababuza ukuthi bafunani. Ngithi mina if upresident ezokhuluma namhlanje akathi iborder izokwakhiwa nini, if engenayo imali eyanele yokwakha udonga eborder. Take South African men, they are skills. Don't worry about CIC. He said we are unskilled. Mina, I'm a plumber, I'm a geyser technician. I'm very skilled in a lot of things.
You must give us your view on the CIC.
Yeah, I will go there. So umengameli namhlanje akathi udonga eborder luzokwakhiwa nini, so that abantu abagade iborder they will have cameras on the wall instead of walking 5 kilometers every day trying to patrol an open land and wasting money buying cars that can go into water. Why are you buying those nonsense? Because build the wall. We know ukuthi abaholi abakhona kupolitics, former president Thabo Mbeki was part of taking the fence out of that border because they say they stayed 10 years. They stayed 10 years in the other countries. These people are here for 25 years. When are we going to pay that debt? When is that debt ending? Ukuthi kuphele phela ukuthi isikweletu sesisiqedile.
Yeah.
Bawuhlala phela u10 years eMalawi. Bawuhlala u10 years lapha bahlala khona. All right, kulungile ke ko Tanzania. But it was 10 years. Now, they didn't sell drugs. They didn't kill people. They didn't do hijacking of buildings and human trafficking. So, okay, they did stay there. Those countries helped us. But how long are we going to pay that debt? So, asambeni siyo kwakha iborder. Uhulumeni engenayo imali, I'm offering men. I will look for men that are dedicated, that want this country to be okay. Those men will go and sit there at the border and manage that border until uhulumeni abe nemali. We will camp. We are men. We are staying in shacks here. We can stay in tents there. So there is no political party that I'm going to align myself in. Insizwa Nomzizwa Development Foundation will never align itself with any political party.
So why don't you go as an independent candidate?
I have no ambitions for now. I'm saying
no, but you can guide people. The way you speak, the way you engage, you are very robust.
Okay.
And you've got a direction. And abantu understand about, okay, we sit now we stand up, and you are very much aligned.
Yeah.
And you are in touch with the reality.
Yeah.
So why don't you stand as an independent candidate?
You will be my campaigning manager. Okay, so but let me say this. Okay, so
South Africa, there you have it.
Yeah. So okay, sizo cela abaholi.
Yeah.
We are begging our leaders, bagithi. They are getting paid for this. We are begging them, please fix the country. You have the power. Don't tell us it's system yase Home Affairs nan. Empower those people abase Home Affairs. Abantu abase Home Affairs, they are selling IDs 25,000 rand, 15,000 rand, 10,000 rand. They are selling asylum seekers. People who are working at the municipalities, LED officers and LED managers, local economic development. You are a local economic development manager, but you are giving a permit to run a spaza shop from a Bangladesh. What is local about the Bangladesh?
So now people are saying, why do you sound like you are narrow-minded? I've seen that comment.
Yeah.
Do you think our issues in South Africa, we can only reduce them into foreign nationals alone? What? Because we are dealing with so many demons in South Africa. It's not only this demon.
Yeah.
This demon, okay, let's say we minus, and then President today says, Phakela, nethimba lakho lonke nomacingwane nosisijasinta niyibambile nayi into yama-foreigners yayilungisa. And then we've got many other issues. We have never touched many other issues. Do you think this is a pressing matter for you now?
Yeah, my brother. We okay, who kunobaba kuthiwa uNyotso. Who spoke rubbish yesterday? Unyotso. And he's a very, even if you look at him, you can see he's stupid. Uyabona. Uti, these borders are artificial.
Yeah.
Okay. Yena, when he goes to Kenya or when he goes to Mozambique, he uses a passport.
Yeah.
but uthi thina la eSouth Africa uyi-South African uthi thina la eSouth Africa asingasho ukuthi akube neborder eSouth Africa. ISouth Africa kuphela okungamele ibe neborder. Bonke laba abanye banamaborder. Bawabili amaborder, banamasosha adubulayo, abulalayo nje anganasikhathi sakho. Uyabo? Akubulala kufaka emgodini wengumbane udliwe izintibane. Uyabo? So uma ngabe bethi abaholi lento i-pressing issue is not only the foreigners. But kusho yena uNyotso uthi there's white people and Italian and
Chinese,
and Chinese. Bahlala kuphi? Emlazi. Bahlala la eSoweto. Labo belungu. Bahlala naye angithi. Why is he not doing anything? He's a leader. Why is he not doing something about it? Why is he telling us as South Africans esimvotelile esimbeke lapha phezulu ukuthi abe umholi? He is coming back to complain and counter attack a struggle of the people instead of helping. And yena njengomholi he goes on media and says kunabantu on SABC a whole leader. People should the people of his party they must take him down of that position because if he's embarrassed them. Uthi kunabelungu asihlali nabelungu, we don't feel abelungu doing anything. But here's the interesting part about Ubaba Unyotso. Ubaba Unyotso right now is evicting black people in the farms, in government farms, because he wants to give it to the white people. The same white people is crying about. As I'm talking now, if any of these leaders or his counterparts are saying I'm wrong, they must sue me for this. Right now, he's evicting black people so he can take those farms and give it back to the white people. And that's what they've been doing. Even the other leaders, they've been in the land issue. They've delayed the processes of giving the land back to the people until people were tired or whoever was doing, like Phakela Mthakathi was killed. Once that person is killed, then they take the farms, they lease it for 100 years to a white man. The same white man, they gave 16 million for the farm. While abantu elokishini bengena spinach, bengena cabbage, bengena lutho. So whoever sees that Phakela is narrow-minded is looking at the foreigners. And they think he should be looking at other things. For the fact that you know ukuthi kufanele ngabe ngibukani, that means you know ukuthi kune problem lapha. Stand up, have balls like me. Put your head on a block and say, as a South African, I will not wait for the police. I will not wait for the Navy. I will not wait for the South African Defence Force. I will stand up as a man, and if I die, I will die for the good cause. But I'm fixing this now. If sonke yonke indawo abantu bengasukuma belwe nalezi zinto, South Africa in 1 month will be fixed.
There was a Grootman, Tina Ngeskasi, Uphakela Mthakathi himself, and I hope you have enjoyed the episode.
Bangibize bathe mangibingela ngithi Dimacheron.
Yeah.
So ngiyoba Dimacheron ale emakhaya ke lapha
Manje kuthiwe Limpopo pawuzi laphana. Uzohlanganisa nani no Julius because bebathe no Limpopo belume kancane and then bengithe if you yakho ngo Julius. I wanted to thank ithimba lakho la ithimba likangilokothe la Papa D Commander Duma and the whole entire team bangiphi isikhathi bangithayimile but endoda ama meetings wethu kanje nawe uyishaya njengesicebhezana njengeindaba zika 7 amanqampu so kanti South Africa yona idayi fetakayo uphakela bekufuna ukuthi at least sishaye nje uAfrica esivala then the last one ngicela ungiphi build up because it will be a great disservice and injustice if I'm not going to allow you ukuthi usitshele ithini build up. This is your marketing platform because we need to do a yin yang a barter deal yabona trade exchange ukuthi ithini iway forward yethu la sivala ngani and then naseLimpopo nje ubathembisa kanje maybe also in closing leader CIC Julius Malema I mean he's always been a thorn in the flesh according to you guys nani niyam stressa da uyan stressa abuya thina apologize.
No mina akang stress mina I think ubut uJulius Malema umholi weFF sometimes he's careless when he talks and he's been like that but mina as indoda yasemakhaya ekhuliswa ngamadoda ngiunderstand uJulius akazabe nayo ubaba so that's the problem so sometimes akazi ukuthi uyakhuluma into ayiphikisa. There are a lot of videos of him saying things about ama foreigners and ngenxa yokuthi usehambile wayotshala eko Nigeria wayotshala kwamanye amazwe aseAfrica useshintsha itone because of his interest and benefits he's getting from wherever so ke mina I will never insult him yes, wakhuluma ngentelezi, I didn't like it. That's why he got my attention when he spoke about Intelezi, because he doesn't know anything about Intelezi. When he was in court, he had to mute emlonyeni wakhe. He was not even talking because he was believing that they won't sentence him because he had that muti emlonyeni. If he came to me for Intelezi, I would have helped him. So he would win that case because ngalesa sikhathi enza zonke lezi zinto ekhuluma ngendaba yamabhunu nani I was supporting him because abelungu they need to pay back the money. Abelungu, they must pay back the money to South Africans. They must do something to help abantu base South Africa ngendlela right singalwi sibacela ukuthi ayemadoda buyani khokhelana abantu abakhona manje, because we can't do izinto silungisa izinto ezawonakala kudala, but khokhelana abantu abakhona manje the living wages instead of employing, because right now uMalema uprotecta bona belungu njobe ethi abangahambi abantu bokufika. He's protecting abelungu, but abantu they don't know. They think uMalema uyabenyanya belungu. But if we go in, if I can zoom into Malema, he won't last as a leader because I know too much. I know too much. So he must refrain from fighting me. He can fight ungizwe bangabangani nongizwe. We saw ungizwe kwi lokuza yabo, kwi irally yabo sometimes. They've been back and forth ngendaba yokuxabana kwabo. Ungizwe is my brother. I will always support him. I love him. I don't subscribe to his views. He's a man. He's a grown-up man. He's got his own opinions. But mina lapha engisuke nginaye khona, you must always watch. We rehearse what we are going to say. Because I always protect my integrity and my honesty to the people, and also the genuineness of what I do. So angifuni ukuthi ngigcine nami ngibukeka ngathi ngumuntu ngelilanga osho lokhu mina ngisho lokhu. Mina you can go up to 2013. I had Facebook from 20. I've been consistent from that time. So ke yonke lento no March and March. The reason why I supported March and March is because March and March when she came, Jacinta came with the March and March. She came with something that I was already doing. But mina bengekho ku social media kakhulu. Umuntu oze wathi angibe ku social media angifundisa social media utshatha. Wathi hayi wendoda lezi izinto ozenzayo because uzenza lapha abantu bayayithanda. Zithathwe ifake na social media zizosiza nomuntu ongekho eduze kwakho ukuthi understand ukuthi wenzani. And hence social media ngithe mangena kuona ngo2018 everything changed.
From today until the 30th.
Yeah, or Limpopo Siyeza, we are waiting for the people of Limpopo to invite us. Every time you see us somewhere, abantu bakuleyo ndawo, they suke bes invite you. And when we are going to be there, the poster must have our picture and we must post it. Because so asifuna abantu abazokhanda iposter befaka uphakela umthakathi. They post iposter kube nematch bese kuyantshontshwa. So we will start suing those people because sesizwile ukuthi khona abantu abenza ama poster befake mina bethi kuzoba nematch abantu beze lapho then bayasuka bahambe bafuna imali kuma Pakistan nama Somalis nabaganga nangabantu. So asifuni ke leyo. So every poster esuka ekuthiwa sizoba khona kuyo, you will see a poster. We will be the first to post it, and then everybody else can post it. Because and futhi sizoba khona. As post bese singabibikho siba khona ngamasende. Uyabona?
Awu siyayivala manje.
Jimuye ekhaya yolanda isibindi unovalo.
Awu
unovalo
Jimuye ekhaya yolanda isibindi
unovalo. Unovalo mama inovalo insizwa
Jimuye ekhaya yolanda isibindi. Last now.
Siyabonga sisishilo sike sasho kodwa kuyavela ukuthi sizoba semtshezi.